Hi guys, I'm Aaron here and welcome back to my channel. Now I know that it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded a YouTube video, but here we are. Let's see what we can spot that. I know there's an Aston Martin Valhalla around. Let's see if I can spot it today. And yeah, I apologize guys for not posting as much on YouTube, but do check out all my other social media platforms. It's your boy Aaronspotz, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, we have a bad luck. The Valhalla was parked right behind the Mercedes over there, as you can see. However, it's gone. I can't see it anymore. Hopefully we'll see it later today. Right, at least we have a 488 Spider parked up right over here. Right, we've got a beautiful Porsche Turbo all the way from Qatar. I don't know what exactly is this color. Do you know the color of this exactly? No, that's a left-hand drive manual, I think. But yeah, fuck, it's manual. But it's cute, very cute, very nice. Right, I'm at the Connaught and there's a beautiful Ferrari 812 GTS with this very beautiful silver wheels. Damn, this thing looks so sexy. Alright, we've got a Lamborghini Performante. This is the regular one with silver wheels. I can't believe I'm filming a fucking Lamborghini. So some random cars posted a story about the Valhalla 4 minutes ago that is parked up again at the Chancery. I'm trying my luck again. If it's not there, then right, I have been fooled. There is no flipping Valhalla. I don't know if I'm going to see it. Plus I lost the USB of my microphone and I have to find it now.
A few moments later.
Right, we've got a beautiful Porsche 911 ST all the way from Dubai. Oh shit, it's from Porsche Motors, a very famous car dealership. Shit, 992, wow, number plate as well. This is nice. Got another Lamborghini Performante, matte blue color. Damn. We've seen some decent cars today, except the flipping Valhalla. Still waiting for it. Alright, that's something different. Corvette and a Ferrari Pista. Damn. Let's go. That Corvette is insanely loud. Damn. Right, we've got a beautiful Ferrari 296 GTB. I love this back. Look at that. Oh, the Corvette's back again. Look. That's loud. Oh my god, I told you guys it's loud. GT3 with the voice pack, and this is a 12 Cillindri. Look, I gotta finish my crap. Look, this crap is nice, but it's 15 pounds. Is it worth 15 pounds? I don't think so, to be honest. Alright, this is the third time I'm going to check if the Valhalla is still there. And if it's not there this time, I'm gonna give up. I'm just gonna give up on this car, man. Well, I can see the Valhalla. Oh my days. Check this out. Oh my days, that thing looks so sexy. Check this out, Magneto bronze exterior. Damn, oh my days. With the Oxford 10 Alcantara. I know you can't see that. Damn. The UAE number 5 plate. I'm pretty sure it's very expensive. Right, the Valhalla is gonna get a parking ticket now. As you can see, the guy is over there. Well, look at this. It got a parking ticket, I told you. The coolest thing about this is that you can actually see the tires through the bonnet. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Now that's a car. Look at this though. This thing is nice. Well, look at this. You must be wondering what's everyone doing. Yeah, It is cool, but it's not a hypercar. Oh, I don't know why so many people are here. Oh my days. It is coming this way. Yeah, right, and he didn't even fucking grab it. Wow. People must be disappointed. Full matte black Revolto, that's cool. That is cool. That is insanely cool. Yo, you alright? Alright. Alright. 812. Yep, that's the one. Another 812, super fast. Damn. And our performante, that's the third performante we are seeing today. So there is a very beautiful Ferrari Pro Sangue coming right towards me, and the plate is even more crazy. I mean, funny I'd say. Look at this. Look at this plate. Wow, 69. Wow. All right, and 812. Very nice. Alright, there goes the Ferrari 12 Cillindri. It looks so nice. Lamborghini Ultimate. Look how beautiful this thing is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This over an 812 super fast any day. Alright, we've got a Huracan. Come on, come on. Come on, mate, you got space, you got a lot of space, mate. Alright, we have our second Porsche GT3 RS. Well, this one's very, very loud. I saw it in Cannes as well when I went to France. Yeah, it's alright. Oh shit, it shattered the glass. Yeah, I hope he parks up. There's a Lamborghini Revolto right in front of me. It's a very stunning spec. It's kind of this magenta purplish color. Just have a look at it, guys. Oh, so very nice. I'm in love with this spec. Look at the carbon fiber details on it. Damn, this is lovely. We got a beautiful 488 Pista Ferrari, France flag tricolor. I mean, it's so nice. It is so nice. I spoke to the owner last time, and he's a very chill guy as well. Yeah, that thing's sick. That thing is sick. 296 GTB, I think so. Or is it no? Yeah, it's a GTB. Alright, so that's the one I saw in Bond Street. That's nice, the 911 ST. Alright guys, so that's it for today. We've seen some pretty cool cars. I hope I will do more vlogs like this if I get 100,000 views. Nah, I'm just joking. So yeah, cool to see the Valhalla, Aston Martin Valhalla, and all the SVJ and the Revolto as well. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel and do follow me on all my social media platforms. It's Aaronspotz, your boy, and yeah, peace out guys.